On January 15, 2025, police officers responded to a report of a battery incident.
Hey, what happened, guys?
Can you tell them?
I don't know what's going on.
Sir, do you need any medical help?
Am I bleeding?
A little bit right here. Do you need it?
Can you tell him why I'm bleeding?
I don't know. I was talking to this
What
lady
happened?
over there. I don't know what's going on.
She could tell you or
I don't know what's going on.
Are you guys together? You're like
Yeah, we are together.
husband and wife?
We're not husband
Boyfriend and
and wife.
girlfriend?
boyfriend, girlfriend.
Okay.
Cody.
So, sir, do you need any medical?
Did I do something to you?
You need to say yes or no. You know.
Do you want me to go to jail?
Please.
No, I don't want you to go to jail, but I want you to tell
What
him what
did I
happened.
do?
I don't know. Tell him what
I don't know what I
happened.
did.
Can you tell him what happened? Because I don't know what happened.
Baby, I don't know what I did.
Sir, do you need medical help? Yes or no? Can you answer my question
Am I
first?
bleeding?
Just a little bit right here. I can take a picture.
You need
Yeah.
medical help?
Ma'am, I'll ask you to stay right there.
Can you go over there?
Ma'am, just wait right there. It's not too much. It just
Can you go over there?
right here. You have a little bit. It's not too much. It's a little bit. It's up to you. But I just need to ask
Do you have an ice pack? Go. Can you go
No,
over there?
no. I can call an ambulance for ice pack. We don't have ice packs. You want an ice pack?
I just need some paper.
Okay, there's somebody else coming to give you, but do you need a medical help?
No, I don't need paper. I just need a piece of paper.
Okay, then we're gonna bring this paper. Can you tell me what happened?
I remember. I think I bumped into the wall when I came around the corner.
Okay.
But I just need a thing.
Yeah.
And I think they got the people. They're
No,
gone,
the thing
but
is,
they got worried when it happened because I started bleeding a lot.
Okay. So because they told us that you guys
I don't know what
were
they said.
fighting. Why don't you just stay here? Okay, so we're clear. You both are detained. You're not free to leave. Okay.
That's
So
okay.
we can do this.
That's okay.
We can do it this way. All right.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
No worries. Listen, I just work with security there.
That's okay.
The
It's okay.
officers,
I
they're
bumped
coming.
into the.
No worries.
Yes.
No worries.
From what I remember, I bumped into the wall
Okay.
because I drank too much at the other place.
All right. Sir, I need to see your ID,
Yes.
please. And ma'am, as well as yours. Ma'am, I need to see your ID.
I'm from Massachusetts.
That's fine. Thank you very much. Ma'am, I need to see your driver license, please. So listen, like, you guys not in any trouble, but we just need to, because we get a call, we need
Yeah.
to figure out what
It's
happened.
okay.
That's why you guys not free to leave, right?
Yeah, I
Hopefully
drank too
it's
much.
nothing, but
I
yeah.
drank too much and I bumped into
All right.
the wall with
Thank you
my
very much.
face.
Okay. All right. I'm just gonna wait to other officers,
It's okay.
and they're gonna do everything. Okay. No worries. No, not yet, ma'am.
Why not?
Because
Wait till he's
ma'am,
done.
you are
Wait, just-
detained. You're not free to leave.
Calma.
Same as him.
Tranquilo.
You're not free to leave. You
want
must
my
stay
ID back.
here,
Tranquilo.
ma'am.
I didn't do
Ma'am,
anything wrong.
ma'am,
Tranquilo,
ma'am,
tranquilo.
stop,
You did this!
ma'am.
I
It's
want
okay.
my ID
If
back.
you're gonna
okay.
yell,
It's okay.
yell
He's
one
not-
more time,
I
I'm
want
gonna
my
put
ID
you
back.
in handcuffs. Are you
She-
clear?
Why?
She's not
Are
gonna
we
yell.
clear?
Why?
See, she's not gonna
¿Por
yell.
qué?
Hey,
Porque no me
hey, she's not
toques.
gonna yell. I'm not
No me
gonna.
toques.
Listen,
Porque
I'm
me vas a
gonna
tocar.
repeat.
She's not.
Porque
I'm
me vas a
gonna
tocar.
repeat. I'm gonna repeat
Déjame.
myself.
Yes.
¿Por qué?
Yes.
I'm gonna
¿Por
repeat.
qué?
Ma'am, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Shut up.
Let him repeat.
¿Por qué?
Because
We're
you are
listening.
detained.
Háblame
Your officer say, I don't speak
en
Spanish.
español.
Let him
I
repeat
don't speak
himself.
Spanish.
¿Por
and
qué
then
no? Shut up.
Let him repeat himself, and then we're listening. We can
Shut up.
we're listening.
Ma'am,
If you,
Shut up.
we're
You did
listening.
this!
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
A mí no me tocas.
Please. Repeat
A mí no
yourself.
me
Give us
tocas.
one chance. One more chance. Please. Give me one more chance. Please. I hear you. I hear you.
A mí no me
No,
tocas.
stop. Please. I
Pendejo.
hear you. Please tell her one more. No. One more chance. No. Stop
Eres
resisting.
tú.
No.
¿Por qué me tocas?
Please.
¿Por
Resist.
qué me tocas?
I'm back. Please give us one
¿Por
more
qué me
chance.
tocas?
Tell
Stand
us.
back.
Yes. Please tell us one more time.
Stand back.
I'm back.
¿Qué?
Please.
Stand back.
¿Por qué
Don't
me
listen to her.
tocas?
I'm listening. Please, one more time.
¿Por
Tell
qué
her
me
one more
tocas?
time. Lucia.
Ma'am, put
Do
your
it.
hands.
Lucia, please listen one
Put your
more.
hands behind
Do
your
it.
back.
We're listening. Put your hands behind your back.
Put
Listen,
your hands behind
it.
your back.
You think
listen
I'm
one more
scared?
time, please. We're
Put your
listening.
hands,
We're listening.
Why
We're
are
listening.
you
put your
doing
hands behind your back.
Sir.
No.
Yes,
Put
they're
your hands behind her back.
They are. We're
Stand back.
We're listening.
Stand back.
They're behind her back. We're listening.
Stand back.
Why?
Put your
We're
hands
listening.
behind your
They
back
are,
now.
They are. Sir, we are listening. We respect you.
Stand
We
back.
They are behind her back. Sir. They are behind her back. We are listening. Please. We are listening. They're behind her back.
All right.
We are listening. I promise you. I will get down on my
Golovanov.
knees. Please.
Wait, why? You just
Please.
pass me. We're next to stop
Yes,
sign.
we are
Golovanov.
listening.
Attention the wall.
Sir.
Golovanov.
Sir.
Put your hands behind
Why?
your back.
They are. They are.
Put your hands behind your back.
They are.
Ma'am,
They are behind her back.
put your hands behind your back now.
They are. Put your hands.
Put your hands
They are.
behind
They
your back.
are. They are. Yes, they
Stand
are.
back. Stand back.
Lucia,
Put your hands behind your back.
Get on the ground! Get all the way on the ground right now! Lay down on the ground! You want to get tased?
I've been there.
Lay down on the ground.
I'm down.
Come to the entrance to the parking lot. We're just to the east. Don't move. Put your other hand behind your back.
Yes, sir. Can you grab my wallet, please?
Don't worry about your wallet now.
I'm a little worried, but I'm not resisting. Can you grab that? Thank you. Appreciate it.
Sit down.
I'm
Turn over. Go on your side and sit on your butt.
my side or my butt?
Right there.
You're just talking to them.
No, you weren't.
Sure.
No, you weren't.
Don't. Can we talk to me
What are you
instead
gonna
of?
Don't kick. Don't kick. Don't kick.
What are you gonna do?
Don't kick.
What are you gonna do?
In that car
What are you
because I'm
gonna
done
do?
with you.
Yeah, I'm done with you.
Don't kick, ma'am.
You done with him?
Don't kick.
Starting with me. He's the nice one.
Get up.
Yeah?
Get up.
Yeah, you're the nice one.
No, he was.
He was?
He was.
Then the phone.
Okay.
Stand up.
Put it down.
You're not going to win this fight. Stop. Stop.
Hold her legs. Hold her legs.
Stop fighting.
Oh no.
Stop fighting.
Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, Dad. Oh, Dad. No, you guys were. Oh, my God, my mom. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that sucks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that arouses me so much. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, grab me so hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Put her inside.
Yeah.
Roll over on your side, ma'am.
No,
Roll over on your side.
whatever you want me to do.
Bring your knees up to your chest.
No,
Bring your knees to your chest.
whatever you want me to do.
You're getting up on 3. 1, 2, 3. Get in the car.
You search it first. Or?
Yeah, search me, baby.
Fine,
Touch me.
let's-
Touch me.
Keep it on her knees.
Grab my hair.
Surgery.
Grab my hair.
You have any weapons on you? Anything on you, ma'am?
Grab my hair. No, nothing because why are you arresting me? I have nothing. You assholes. You assholes.
Stand up, ma'am.
Nope.
Stand up.
Nope.
Careful, careful. There's like hands there.
Pull her feet. Pull her
Yeah.
legs out.
Yep, that's my
Really didn't do anything, and I appreciate you guys.
Stop. 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 Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
So I can't really make any requests, but can you grab?
Yeah, we'll worry about that in a minute.
It's okay.
So what's going on?
We're not doing good, are not.
Were you guys fighting each other?
Just emotionally, not physically. We're from Boston. I wouldn't say we're breaking up, but I don't know. It's hard. I don't know which one, really, honestly. But it was an emotionally charged conversation, and a spectator called the cops because we were. I don't know. Yeah. Here.
Don't move.
Oh,
just
sorry,
sit.
sorry,
Just
my
sit still.
bad. There's my left pocket has just random stuff in it too. But she's I don't know. I don't know how to put it. I don't really know what to say. Just she wouldn't listen
Were
when
you
I
guys
told her.
fighting? Did she hit you?
Yes.
She hit you. How'd she hit you?
Just a slap,
Slap in the face?
but
Because of the argument? What was the argument over?
she cheated on me.
Okay. All right. Did you put your hands on her?
No. But I think it just got carried away. Someone called the cops. It wasn't either of us. And then she's oppositional defiant or whatever the word is. But she has like a.
This is her stuff?
Are we gonna go to the same place?
Well, you're going to be separate.
Well,
I mean, it's the same jail. So when the officers told you to get back, why didn't you get back?
oh, I did. I was trying to help her.
They told you to get back, and you were
No,
all up in their space.
If you ask him.
All right, I'll go talk to them. I'll find out.
If you ask him, I was telling her to comply. Ask him, whoever the guy that was on the scene, I was telling her to comply, and that's what happened.
Well, he told you to get back. I heard that, and you weren't getting back. So
I told her to
you're at
comply
least going
with him.
you're at least going for the Halo law.
I told her to comply with him. That's all I know.
So you were when I rolled up, you were telling him to get back.
Yes,
You?
yeah,
And
him also,
wouldn't
yeah,
he wouldn't get back.
when I holding her, he was keep
Okay.
approaching.
I'll charge you with the Halo law.
I didn't touch you though.
I'm not saying you were touching.
No, it's okay.
No.
I just
When an
wanted
officer
to-
says to go back,
No,
get
it's
him
okay.
back,
and
you don't get back.
That's okay. I'm
go-
from a different state. I just wanted to be clear
okay.
that I didn't touch you.
Yeah.
No, sir, you never touch me. But
Okay,
I told you
thank
like
you.
10 times.
That's okay.
to go back.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
I'm not saying
I'm
she's
from
your
Massachusetts. I didn't
friend,
understand. That's my
But you
bad.
need to step back, alright?
Yes.
So
Are we going to the same?
you're both going to jail, but you'll be completely
same one?
separate the whole time. Completely separate. Yeah, you guys are not going back to that. Do you have any weapons or anything in your back pockets or anything like that? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stand you up.
Thank you.
All right, walk over to my car.
Am I allowed to look at my
Get some front of the
phone?
car. You wanna get some front?
If I need a phone
Yeah,
number.
they'll let you go through
Wait,
your phone.
wait. She needs her passport. She needs that.
She'll get it. She'll get it. Okay.
No. If we're
all
going
going
to,
to
well,
the
okay.
I get it, sir.
I'm just saying she needs that. If she's going to a different place than me, then she needs that because it's up.
Yeah, I'll get it, sir. I'll take it over there for you. Don't worry about it.
All right, have a seat. Watch that.
Cody, Lucia's boyfriend, stated that they had both been drinking when he confronted her about cheating. This escalated into an argument, during which Lucia became upset and hit him in the face. Charges for Lucia, battery and resisting officer with violence. Charge for Cody, resisting or obstructing officer without violence.
Argument over because she's cheating on him. During the argument, got heated. He said she slapped him in the face. So that's the statement. He said he denies ever putting hands on her at all. So he's got this injury to his nose, a scrape to his nose. Golabanov said it was there before they made contact. And he was asking him for an ice pack for the injury.
Okay.
No.
Sums it up. Yeah.
Okay.
And what about him? He's getting.
I'm
arrested?
taking him for the Halo law.
Okay, so you're
He
doing
was
that.
told to back off multiple times by him, and I heard it too. And when I rolled up, we took him down to the ground, and so I'm charging him with that.
Do you want him to do both arrests?
Doesn't matter to me.
You can go 10-8
It's up to you, sir.
because it's the same. We only got 6 tonight.
Well, I'll do the transport since.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you got
Yeah.
him on there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
He could do. He could do both arrests. One
Sounds
for.
good.
He's doing the. He said he told him to step back. He wouldn't step back. He kept on his face. Domestic for her, for battery, domestic battery on him. Because she has marks on him. He just gave him the story. That he said that she had hit him. They'd been arguing because she's directly
Cheating.
She's cheating on him, so it was a domestic. They're out in public. He hits him. He has a mark. There's no other mark. He took him down, but it was just to take him down to handcuff him. No injuries or anything like that. As he's has her handcuffed, he keeps on trying to intercede in his duties. He tells her to step back. She won't step back. He won't step back, so he's going to charge him with the new law of stepping back.